So we're making cookies right now, and I'm having some melted chocolate that I made in the microwave, and it's actually really good. It's actually kind of gross, but it's not even warm now. And we're also baking some cookies. They look pretty good. They're supposed to be chewy, and they're freaking soupy. Probably gonna have to put them in longer. God damn it. Can't do anything right. Oh, whatever. I'm making these cookies too. I got 5 more minutes, and I'm probably gonna put them in for a little bit longer than that, because I don't want mushy cookies. I want them chewy. Okay. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So, just making cookies. Akasha's shaving her armpits. You know, that's what everybody does these days.